Hi, my name is Chuck Sweeney. I'm a business coach, and I will be talking about networking at NCET's Biz Café. A number of years ago, a mentor and friend of mine asked me if I did any training in the area of networking. I replied, well, I don't because everybody knows how to network. And then he says, no, everybody goes networking, but most of us don't know what to do once we get there. So my goal at this Biz Café presentation is to help you to be comfortable and successful in networking by sharing some tips, ideas, and techniques that have consistently worked for me. So I look forward to seeing you at Rounds Bakery on February 13th from 3 to 5 p.m.